To use Alexa with ABB Free at Home, you need to have a My Buildings account and subscribe to the remote access service. Make sure that your system access point and Alexa device are running on the latest firmware and are in the same network. Log in configuration mode, choose Free at Home configuration and then Free at Home Sys AP. Choose My Buildings and enable the Free at Home API and then to Local API and enable it. Open the Alexa app on your smartphone, go to More and choose Skills and Games. Search for ABB Free at Home and enable it to use. You are automatically forwarded to the My Buildings website. Enter your credentials for your My Buildings account. Your account is now connected to Alexa and you can manage your Free at Home system through voice control.